Meaning of disciple.
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 Disciple. The term disciple generally refers to a follower or student of a particular teacher or philosophy. It implies a sense of commitment and dedication to learning and applying the teachings of the master. Disciples often seek to emulate the qualities and behaviors of their teacher, striving to deepen their understanding and achieve mastery in their chosen field. They may also be tasked with spreading the word and recruiting new followers, furthering the influence and impact of their teacher's ideas. Overall, the concept of discipleship encompasses a deep and meaningful relationship between teacher and student, founded on mutual respect and a shared pursuit of knowledge and wisdom.